Okay, chalo.
Today we'll discuss about knapsack problem. So knapsack is the application of greedy method. So knapsack means empty bag. So I will explain the knapsack problem with one example. Suppose thief wants to rob the store. For that he came with one bag. So bag is a knapsack. So whenever he entered into the store, there are different types of products will be there. But he can't place all the products in the bag. Only few products only he can keep in the bag. So in what way he has to place the products in the bag such that he should get the maximum profit is the knapsack problem. Okay, knapsack problem is in what way he has to place the products in the bag such that he should get the maximum profit. For example, suppose thief is entered into the house for robbery purpose. Even he entered into the house with the bag. Okay, there are different types of products are there. There are electronic products are there, cash is there, gold ornaments are there, plates, glasses are there. So different variety types of products are there. So in the what he will think, he has to get the maximum profit. Suppose if he is keeping plates, glasses in the bag, so then he will get the less profit. Even he can't get the bag, whatever the bag price is there, same thing also he will not get. So here knapsack problem is in what way he has to place the products in the bag such that he should get the maximum profit. So there are three types of feasible solutions are there. One is based on maximum profit. Second one is based on minimum weight. Third one is based on maximum profit by weight. See, it means first we will focus on costly products, gold ornaments and all for getting the profit. Second thing is minimum weight means if we keep less weighted products in the bag, then he is thinking that he will get more profit. Third thing is he will consider both the things. He is thinking about maximum profit as well as weight also. So profit by weight he is taking into consideration. Okay. So finally we have to calculate the summation of profit Pi Xi. Means suppose I products are there in the store, then P indicates that profits of those products, X indicates that how much amount of product we are placing in the bag. How much amount of product we are placing in the bag. For example, solve the knapsack problem. For the following instance. So bag size is, they are giving 20, bag size is 20 and profits of the product, suppose 3 products are there, then profits of the products are P1, P2, P3. Suppose they are giving 25, 24 and 15. These are the profits and weight of the products W1, W2, W3. 18, 15 and 10. So these are the weight of the products. So find the optimal solution for first one, based on maximum profit, second one based on minimum weight, third one based on maximum profit by weight. So first we will discuss about maximum profit by weight. We will discuss about maximum profit by weight. See here, bag size is 20 and profits are 25, 24, 15 and weights are 18, 15, 10. See, now based on maximum profit means among these three products, which product is having maximum profit? P1. What is the product profit? 25. And what is the weight of that product? 18. What is the bag size? 20. So 18 is lesser than the 20. So we can place complete product in the bag. So X indicates that how much amount of product we are placing in the bag. So fraction of amount of product we are placing in the bag. So X1 equal to 1. That means you are placing bag size is 20 and weight of the product is 18. So you are placing completely in the bag. Next, what is the remaining space? Remaining space is 2 and X2. Next, what is the maximum profit product? P2. 24 is there. What is the weight of that product? 15. Weight of that product is 15. But what is the remaining space here? Only 2. So you can't place complete product in the bag. So then if space is not sufficient, so what we have to do is left out space by weight of the product to be placed in the bag. So what is the left out space? 2 by 15. X2 is 2 by 15. And X3 is, even we can't place second product completely. So few amounts of space is there. So fraction of amount of product is 2 by 15 amount of product we have placed in the bag. So X3 equal to 0. There is no space remaining for placing in the bag. Now we have to find out summation of Pi Xi for based on maximum profit. First one is P1 X1 plus P2 X2 plus P3 X3. P1 is 25, X1 is 1 plus P2 is 24, X2 is 2 by 15 and P3 is 15 into 0. So now 3 8s, 3 5s, okay, 25 plus 16 by 5. 16 by 5 means 3.2. So 28.2 is the value based on maximum profit. 28.2. Next, based on minimum weight, we will find. Second thing is based on minimum weight so here bag size is 20 and minimum weight here 18, 15, 10 are the weight of the products. So in this minimum weight is 10. So that is third product. So what is the bag size? 20 and weight of the product is 10. So you can place complete product in the bag. Then X3 equal to 1. Complete product you are placing. Remaining space is 20 minus 10, that is 10. And next minimum weight product is W2. That means X2. So what is the remaining space? 10 only. So weight of the product is 15. So we can't place complete product in the bag. So X2 equal to left out space or remaining space by weight of the product to be placed. So leftover space is 10 by weight of the product is 15. X2 is 15. So third product you can place x1 equal to 0. Then summation of Pi xi is P1 x1 plus P2 x2 plus P3 x3. P1 is 25 into 0 plus P2 is 24 into 10 by 15 and plus P3 is 15 into 1. Okay, so 8 threes, 3 eights and 3 fives, 5 twos, 16 plus 15, that is 31. So based on minimum weight, minimum weight profit is 31. And third option is based on maximum profit by weight. So here first product is P1 by W1, P2 by W2, P3 by W3. P1 by W1 is 25 by 18 and P2 is 24 by 15 and P3 is 15 by 10. 15 by 10 is 1.5 and 25 by 18 is 24 by 15 is 1.6. 1.6. So in this, which one is the maximum profit by weight? So maximum profit by 8 is 1.6. 1.6. So 1.6, what is the weight of the product? 15. So bag size is 20. Weight of the product is 15. So complete product you can place in the bag. Remaining space is 20 minus 15, that is 5. Next maximum profit is third product, that is 1.5. So 1.5 is, so what is the weight of the product? 10. Remaining space is only 5. So x3 equal to weight of leftover space by weight of the product, that is 5 by 10. Next x1, first product you can't place in the bag. Why? Because its weight is 18, there is no space is remaining. So x1 equal to 0. Now summation of Pi xi, that is P1 x1 plus P2 x2 plus P3 x3. P1 is 25 into x1 is 0 plus P2 is 24 into x2 is 1 plus P3 is 15 into x3 is 5 by 10. 5 twos, 5 threes, okay, and 15 by 7.5. 24 plus 7.5, that is 31.5. So we have calculated for first one is based on maximum profit, that is 28.2. Second option is based on minimum weight, that is 31. Third option is based on maximum profit by weight. So 31.5. So finally what we are concluding is always you will get the optimal solution as based on maximum profit by weight. Sometimes it might be equivalent to remaining two options, that is based on maximum profit or based on minimum weight. But always it will be maximum or it might be equivalent to remaining two. Okay, so this is the knapsack problem.